My name is Jasmin R Makindara. I'm coming from Tanzania, Kilimanjaro region. I came for knee replacement and here in Hyderabad, Apollo Hospital. I thank God for what I received here. It's a very good place, very good hospitality. I found very good people from the international desk to the ward and then to the theater. It was very nice, especially when I was in theater room. I was just singing while operation was on. I was just singing and the doctors laugh because I was just singing. I was not worried. The service here is very nice, so I appreciate so much, and I think the day after tomorrow I'll go back home after heal. I feel so good now. I think after some days I can walk properly without pain and so on. I hope everything goes well. I would like to ask other people who like to come here, they are welcome. They are very good people here, very good service. Thank you so much, Hyderabad Hospital, Apollo Hospital. Thank you for the workers. Thank you for International Desk and Dr Somashekhara Reddy and Dr Mohan and others. Thank you so much.